So that's when you follow through with 1 minute. Now, what happened? Your target was where? Was here. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So you have last low before the main low, and then the next 1 hour liquidity that could possibly push price higher. So you're looking to push price higher, you're in the sales, you want to edge the sales. Ask please.
So when price was from here to here, we marked this is our last low before the main low. And when price was coming, dropping
I
from
think
here,
Azad.
it did not make any structure anything, but still we marked this last high before the main high.
Yeah, look at the candles. Is it not?
Look at now, Azad. Is this not a different color?
Yeah.
Is this different from what I explained first in today's call, or is it the same?
Same.
Look at it. That's why I had to explain it, so that when you sit on chat you can tell.
Okay.
So you are choosing to ignore this now. That's what you're doing, and that made you lose the entire information that was there.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you see price grabs this liquidity, and now you can look for buy. Remember your rule, no 5 minutes movement.
On the wrong screen.
Sorry.
We're seeing your whiteboard here.
Yeah, remember the rule, no 5 minutes liquidity. So you see, again, you bring it
Yeah,
there.
the plan saves you from any L's, any bullshit.
Yeah, no, fuck it.
What the balls?
Not many L's.
This in a session with the plan
Why did you
is
pick this way?
crazy.
The when, the where, the why, the follow through. And the what? Target. Right? So that's good. So you see, all of this here, all you need is 1 minute refinement to get yourself fine. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So now we watch. Oh no, efficient pricing. That's all we have. Nothing. Can you see? 5 minute efficient pricing. So if you follow 5 minute efficient pricing as part of your rule, you would have modified this on the 1 minute, and then you catch a trade here. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you follow efficient pricing as part of the rule, you would have modified this level and catch a trade here, and price would come back and smash you out and break you. And you'll be scared to pick this trade. That's the thing. That's why you need to follow a rule.
You be scared to take this trade because you can take out a break.
You see that? Price continues.
It's human psychology, bro.
Nothing.
Everybody
You
goes
have the trade,
through
you're
it.
frustrated, but you wait patiently.
There was one that
The next one
That was an
can't work.
now you
That's
have
all
the
it.
trade, right?
where you lower your lot size now, so you actually win it. You're like, what?
And you were like,
That thing is all numbers, and humans just don't understand numbers.
yeah. We ignore that shit because of emotions.
We just want to be right. We just want to see.
That's it. Just be right. Some affirmation, like, all right, I did know that. Even if I don't make money with it.
That's what you have the 1 minute for. I don't need to explain the 1 minute. I just need you guys to see how this plan and understanding the cycle can help you.
He's forward testing this.
So you see, let's see here.
If you're not trading that shit, bro, they think this nigga is a fucking bitch,
He
yo.
just does it.
Yeah. I'ma buy it here, I'ma sell it here.
I'm just drop my stock, and then I'm not gonna label anything.
No links, no nothing.
Just
Just
my
my
Instagram
Instagram.
crazy though.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna take off no zones or nothing.
Yeah.
Finish the channel with like 70 R.
Yo, what the
Went through a whole
fuck?
day. So you're like, what the fuck?
Just drop your Instagram, that's it.
Then we're targeting that level. At this point, you did this. Then, what does it mean? It grabs liquidity here. Like, okay, except if it is buying, then I'll buy. In this case now, do you have an inducement to continue higher or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. You do, right? And your mitigation is where? Right here. You buy this, but this time around, you take partials where? You break even quickly and you take partials on the next efficient level. Right?
Yeah, because we're looking for sales.
Exactly. So now, you know, price has grabbed this liquidity. This is the 1 hour time frame here. This one push here is no longer the 1 hour push. Who's that now? Whose mic is on that? It's echoing back into my ears. This is no longer the 1 hour push from here to here. This is a higher time
Playing with
push with 1 hour internal structure. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So what does that tell you guys? Where are you in the cycle now? You are targeting the 1 hour inducement liquidity and the 1 hour last low before the main low.
Yeah.
Does it make sense now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. So based off that higher time frame push, all we have here is what inducement liquidity. You see that? So you know what the cycle looks like. So you now
boy.
we go again.
Wow, go on.
Price comes here,
There we
goes
go
up,
again.
regains efficiency, jumps.
Make money.
You see,
One
goes
pair.
there.
Always tested a whole session and took not one hour.
You could make money on one pair forever, bro.
This is crazy.
Your study will forever be around.
That's it.
And will forever have to use articles to read about
Liquidity,
it.
everything.
It's not your plan, so
You know,
let
I'm
it
actually gonna
Right.
put a widget of the stock market.
I want smart something in it.
I'm gonna put the
Then
trade
at this
view
point
widget.
here, price regains efficiency. Here, ignore FXCN. FXCN says there's
What do you mean by that?
Widen the gap
Put
today.
trading view
But
to
this
see
is
my prices and
efficient
my
here.
stuff.
Where do you go there?
So
How do you get there?
the next inducement
Hold down on
liquidity
your
is
app
here.
and then click
This
edit
one
and click the
hour
plus
push,
button on
the
the top
last
left.
high before the main
You
high
hold
is
down on
here.
the app and do it.
However, that target
Click
here
edit
has
and
been
then click the
smashed
plus button on the top
already.
left.
So what are we doing? We're
So where do I
looking for
get?
buys.
How do I
We don't have
find
a
it?
reason to buy
Oh,
yet.
smart stack.
After
That's
this
it.
1 hour liquidity grab, we're looking for buys. You don't have a reason to buy yet, but
You have to go in wiggle mode and
look
then
for
press the
sales.
plus.
If we have
Okay, but how do I get to my
liquidity here, and
widgets?
that sell could lead to the buy.
I mean,
Does it
widgets
make
are
sense,
right
everybody?
there.
Yeah.
Then you see, you sell
Yeah.
here and you know the
I
target
don't know
for
how
this
to get to
particular
it.
sell can't exceed this level here.
Yeah.
Like, I'm confused. Like, so I add it.
This
Now, how do I
service
find
helps
it?
you set your
Put it
target
in your
right.
screen.
What do you mean?
Boom.
Oh,
You
yeah,
get
you
it. Now
lost.
you have
Where
what
on my
price
screen? I added it.
into
You
I,
put it where
I,
you
now
want
I
it.
go where? Now what?
what's the name?
Switch page and look for it. then.
Go where?
1 hour
Switch page and look for it.
Switch
And
page to
you
where?
can buy this
So another page.
as an edge. The stop loss
What did you
goes
just do?
below here,
What did you did?
and then you
What
try
did
to
you
see
do?
What?
where's the next
Press the
inducement
plus
liquidity.
button.
For the 5 minutes, it is
Find
here.
your widget.
Last time before the mid high, it is here, and that is what also the 1 hour
Okay.
structural liquidity. And
So
also
press
we
edit
also
home
know that
screen first.
here, price is
Yeah.
still
Press
inefficient
plus.
above here.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Find.
Now find a widget
So,
that you're
for
looking
this,
for.
I'll
What's the
target
widget?
At least here
And
first.
trading
So
view,
let's see
because
what
that's gonna show the price.
Trading view.
and price.
Yeah,
Those-
so look, I'm
You
gonna
see,
put it on
when
my
they started
screen.
delivering bullish, you see here, look
I
at
might
this
just
structure
put
here.
one pair
Is it not
actually,
clear?
because I only watch
Inducement
one pair.
liquidity last low before the main low.
Look,
You're bad at explaining
Am I correct?
stuff.
look what this
So
is now.
bad.
That's
I got it by
Now,
Now,
myself.
if you have put
Regarding
the
to
lead US 30 on it,
on
or put
this
US
time
30.
That's
But how do you
if
switch
I am
it?
considering
Just
this
go
Not
on
just
that
based on that watch list.
Mhm.
That's
How come
nuts.
it-
So this is just for
But
you
does
to
this change
understand the
though?
cycle and then it
Yeah,
comes,
how
you
come
see,
it-
and it jumps from the last low before the main low, but won't pick that. We'll only monitor it to see if we
Oh,
catch
okay,
a
but change
trade.
it. Yeah, click, hold
Target
it down, click
smashed.
edit widget, and then
That's nice.
click edit symbol,
And now
and then now put
I will
US
consider
30.
a trade after what the follow through. Can you see that?
Yeah,
But then I won't pick it here
it shows me the
because
price.
this is you understanding the cycle. Yeah, I can pick it there.
Oh shit.
And as price continues higher, lots and lots and lots and lots of noise. This is what the next inducement liquidity was here, last low before the main low, because all of this is still the 1 hour leg. Still
Wait, how'd you
very
get just US 30 though?
Can you guys see it?
Hmm?
This is still the
So I
1
did the
hour
smaller
leg,
widget,
still
you
the
chose the
swing.
big ass widget.
And it is
So
internal
you
to
gotta
the
delete that
swing
whole
high
one and redo
and
it.
swing low.
When you're on that page, scroll over all the way to the right
Does it make sense now?
at the last
Yeah.
one.
You come here, you can see this was an inducement too.
34,030
But
isn't
then, what do
bitch.
you think though?
Bitch.
That was Asian session. As usual, let me just play this guy forward.
Asia session as usual. Talk to Julian about that. Maybe.
I'm just going to play it forward now. I don't want to stress
Look, mad
myself.
trades already.
We know that there's
Yeah.
stability here, right?
Nutty boy.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens if price comes there. Again,
Oh, I remember this day, man. I was waiting for that level.
Why the fuck is up?
so you see the liquidity here. We knew there was liquidity here. It got grabbed. Fine.
But how do I?
See, that liquidity got grabbed,
Once you add it, then
Then you can put just a symbol.
and finally, price goes there. You can sell, and the sell happens, and the price did this. You see, the sell happened. What happened though?
Smash thumb.
You see, the transactional liquidity 1R here. What's the name? Sorry, structural liquidity 1R. Price goes down, continues. We say then here we say transactional liquidity to continue lower. But what did it do? It went further to induce here, and at this point here, what do you have again? You have break the low, break the high. Inducement liquidity. That's the 1R structure for target. So you can now refine this for a trade. Am I correct? And that trade was visible on the 1 minute. That's where you combine everything. Is it clear now? Now, what did price do? Price came here, grabbed the what? Last low before the main low. And you see, everybody's quiet.
Yes.
Yeah, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Then, what did it do afterwards? Look at it induces this one. That's the inducement liquidity. Again, if you're trying to pick efficient pricing, you just got fucked again. Induces this and goes higher. Let me play this. So technically, it induces both, and then started going higher. But what do I have? What business do I have with this? None. Right? None. Then on this day, your trading day is about to start. You're like, okay, let's see if we can buy. If you're going to buy, where's the structural liquidity? Anywhere above here, as far as this time frame is concerned.
Yeah.
Right, so sorry, this is a 5 minute. So this is 1 hour push, everything. So we have 5 minute push in between. So the structural liquidity would only be clear on the 1 minute. So we'll still use here. That's the only structure point we have, but we know that there's imbalance here. So with anywhere within here, price comes up. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
So we have to 5 minutes. So you come to 5 minutes, you have price to this. Boom, your trading time started right here. And you see inducement liquidity grab, you got a nice buy into this hidden supply, right? Making all of this efficient again, blah, blah, blah. Then the buy happens. Oh no, if you're looking to this level again to buy, what happens? It took you out. And then they're like, well, excuse me, we're still delivering bullish. And you check higher time frame again, you got buy opportunity. It goes up. Now you look for sell because that liquidity has been grabbed. And any reason to sell yet? None. Comes down. Of course, we're still buying. We're targeting if we could get to this efficient pricing. So we're there.
I'm really happy to have it to US 30. I would be so disturbed if it's an EU.
You're just, yeah, like, why the fuck I give the price about EU?
Up
I don't care about the price.
and goes there. And then you look for sells.
No.
And
Yeah,
then
if you go on the stocks app, NASDAQ, oh, okay, that's it. 34,798.
It has some different prices now.
Oh, Wanda's a little different.
Yeah.
By maybe like 40 pips.
That's not really official price.
Yeah,
Everybody
yeah.
else
This is the
knows that.
5 minute push. All of this is still the 1 hour. So
And they let us trade cryptos on FTMO and
this long. So this here would have the internal structure, which is last time for the mid high. So anyone is fine. So price induce, grabs that one, comes down. Then again, price is still coming down. But you see, this is the structural liquidity on the 1 hour. The next structural liquidity on the 1 hour would be the next liquidity on the 1 hour. So you need to know the side you are, where you are in the cycle. Would be where? Would be this inducement liquidity, or this last low before the main low, or we just have structural liquidity here taken out. Is it clear, everybody?
Yeah.
So here now, price was doing this. This is the last time before the main high. That's the lower time frame liquidity. Just combined everything, and then price came there. I was awake during that session. and sold that guy. Then came into your session again. You know, we're still delivering bearish for 5 minutes, no inducement, no trade. So you see here, what happened though? You see price made lower low, lower high, another trade, lower low, lower high, another trade. That's 5 minutes. Am I correct?
Yeah. That was London.
Okay. Now look at this.
He's about to go through 2 days of price action with no L's.
Lower high.
What?
Again, another trade. And you see that? Now wherever you buy, if you look at
The
it,
nutty mayor.
next inducement liquidity